video. Okay.
Okay.
So
Steady, look what you're doing.
So, if you guys are watching right now, I'm pouring a bit of this stuff. I'm not sure if that's like...
No, keep going.
Bit more.
Yeah. If you listen to it, like the sound changes as it fills it up. Keep going.
I think put in quite a lot because then it'll explode more. I don't think we need to worry about it. We've got loads of vinegar. Pick it up and shake it around the thing. Does it feel 2 sides full?
Feels pretty full.
Yeah?
Yeah, it feels like...
Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. Actually, I think I could do a bit more.
Yeah, a slight bit more. You like that?
Well, we can always do it again if it doesn't work. So, well done, Dr. Thorpe Tracy.
Should be good.
Okay, excellent.
Do you want to taste it again? Nope.
I don't think we should continue to contaminate the experiment with random objects. Okay.
It's not random, it's sterile. And it can't contaminate the vinegar.
Put the lid back on the vinegar.
So put the lid back on because
Yeah.
we're done with the putting the vinegar.
You're going to put the volcano into... You're going to put put the volcano into the explosion zone.
Explosion. Good name. Good name for it. That's a good name for it. So yeah, we're going to put the volcano in the explosion zone.
Excellent. Dum, dum, dum. Okay. Right, and then...
What's the next step?
Why don't we just move that? Then we need, we need to build the sand landscape, so get this out. Oof. How do you open this?
Right, we'll pause this while we're building.
Okay.
Let's just smooth that in the middle properly. And then just sprinkle that out. That looks like good.
Don't put any sand inside it, yeah. Well done.
Thing.
What's next?
A little bit.
Yeah.
That because why not add a little decoration on the outside too? So let's put
Should
that
we get some
inside.
tape? There's tape just behind you. Okay, yeah. Okay, cool.
And then now we need an assistant. So yeah, so now we put in the sodium hydrogen. So let's just open that.
Can you read what it says on the top?
I think it's adults only, that one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can do it.
Trust me, it's designed for...
How do you do it so good, but I can't do it? I did actually do it. That's scary.
Right, so Shane, this is your bit. This is your big moment. You're going to put a teaspoon of that into the vinegar and then put this on immediately.
1 teaspoon.
You ready?
Yeah. No, I should screw it on because I'm closer.
I think the whole point is you're not supposed to touch this stuff, but all right. Big teaspoon.
I know, but the aperture is small. No, not yet, Isaac. I'll have to put in more.
No.
Come on, quick, because it'll go. Put the lid on.
Not going to be enough.
More?
Yeah, it needs more. Take the lid off.
Well, don't get him to do that bit. It might explode in his face.
A, it's not going to explode in his face. B, he's got glasses on.
Exactly. But this is why you need the glasses. Oh, stop.
No.
Whoa!
That's not slowly spreading up the top, but right. That was sick. Except I didn't get a chance to properly screw it on, so that's
okay.
That's the problem.
It worked. It came out the top, didn't it?
Yeah. So that was
So what kind of explosion was it?
Yeah, it was the one where the thing just slid down the side. I wish
It was quite violent because it burst out the top.
Can we watch it back again?
Yeah, let's watch it back again. Okay, say thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.